That mango you're eating tonight, the pit inside can become a real tree. Here is exactly how to sprout it and the honest timeline nobody tells you about. The fastest, most reliable way is the paper towel method. You crack open the husk, wrap the actual seed in a damp paper towel, keep it warm, and it sprouts in about 1 to 3 weeks. Soil works too, but you cannot see what is happening in there. The water glass method looks clever, but it rots more often. Paper towel wins because you get to watch the root come out, and the seed stays out of soggy soil. Let me walk you through the whole thing. Here is the short list: 1 ripe mango, a paper towel, a zip-top bag, sharp scissors or a knife, an 8-inch deep pot with drainage holes, and regular potting mix. That is it. No rooting hormone, no grow lights, no fancy gear. Start with a fully ripe mango, soft to a gentle squeeze and fragrant at the stem. Here is a tip most videos skip. If you can, choose a polyembryonic variety, like Ataulfo, sometimes sold as champagne or honey mango, or a Kent. Those seeds tend to grow true to the parent tree. The common Tommy Atkins and Hayden are single embryo, so they are more of a genetic gamble. Either one will sprout, but that is the difference between a copy and a surprise. Eat the mango, then scrub that flat pit clean of every bit of fiber and flesh. Let it dry for a day or two until the husk feels crisp. Now find the seam along the edge and carefully cut or pry it open, staying near the outer rim so you do not nick the seed inside. And this trips a lot of people up. The husk is not the seed. The real seed is tucked inside, and it looks like a big, flat lima bean. That is what you want to sprout. Dampen a paper towel so it is moist but not dripping. Wrap the seed and slip it into a zip-top bag. Park it somewhere warm and dark, ideally 70 to 75 degrees, like the top of the fridge or a kitchen cupboard. Check it every 3 days and re-moisten if it is drying out. In about 1 to 3 weeks, you will see a reddish root push out, then a shoot. If nothing has moved by day 10, do not panic. That is completely normal. Warmth and patience are doing the work. Once the sprout is 2 to 3 inches long, it is ready for soil. Fill your 8-inch pot with well-draining mix and set the seed in on its side or root down with the top of it barely at the surface, about 1 inch deep. Water it well, let the excess drain all the way through, and never let the pot sit in a saucer of standing water. Roots need air just as much as they need moisture. Give it the brightest window you have. A south-facing one is perfect. Keep the soil lightly moist, never soggy. The first shoot usually breaks the surface around week 6, and you can expect a leafy, 9-inch seedling by around week 9. Those first leaves often come in coppery red or even purple, and that is completely normal. They green up as they harden off. From here, it just wants warmth and light. Now the part you deserve to hear straight. A mango grown from seed can take 5 to 8 years to fruit, and it really only fruits in a hot, humid climate. Indoors or in a cold zone, treat it as a gorgeous houseplant, not a fruit source. That is not a failure. That is just the reality, and it is still one of the most satisfying plants you will ever grow from a kitchen scrap. Let me kill the mistakes that sink most people. 1. Overwatering. Soggy soil rots the seed and the roots faster than anything else, and this is the #1 killer. 2. Using a seed from a mango that was rock hard or sat refrigerated for weeks. Cold storage can quietly kill the seed's viability, so pick a ripe one. 3. Leaving the seed sealed inside the husk. It is slower and it rots more, so take it out. 4. Planting it too deep. And 5. Giving up at day 10. Give it 2 to 3 weeks of warmth before you call it. So save that pit tonight, wrap it up, and in a few weeks, you will have a little mango tree of your own. Subscribe for more gardening how-tos, and the full guide is on our blog.